Just imagine a future where hotels can fly, yachts can soar through the sky, and vehicles look like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to Tech Zone Online. Like this video, subscribe, and let's explore the future together. Sky Cruise. Just imagine boarding a hotel that never has to land. That's the incredible idea behind the Sky Cruise, a futuristic flying hotel designed to stay in the air for months at a time. This massive aircraft is powered by 20 electric engines and is imagined to carry up to 5,000 passengers. Inside, it feels more like a luxury city than an airplane, featuring restaurants, shopping centers, swimming pools, theaters, gyms, and even observation decks with breathtaking views above the clouds. What's even more fascinating is that the Sky Cruise is designed to fly completely autonomously, without human pilots. It could even dock with regular airplanes to receive passengers and supplies while remaining airborne. Although many experts believe today's technology isn't yet capable of making this concept a reality, it offers an exciting glimpse. Pearl Suites, floating Pearl Suites. Now imagine spending your vacation in a floating luxury apartment instead of a traditional hotel. That's exactly what the floating Pearl Suites are designed to offer. Created by the Italian design studio Lazzarini, these futuristic floating cabins are perfect for luxury resorts and coastal destinations. Each suite features a stylish bedroom, a modern bathroom, a private terrace, and a panoramic rooftop made from smart photochromic glass that can open on sunny days for an incredible outdoor experience. A small electric motor allows every unit to move easily across calm waters whenever needed. The compact design combines comfort, privacy, and beautiful ocean views in one unique package. While the project is still a concept, it shows how floating architecture could completely transform the future of waterfront vacations. Drone with two arms. Believe it or not, this isn't just another ordinary drone. Developed by Japanese engineers, this advanced rescue drone features two robotic arms that allow it to perform tasks beyond simple flying. Weighing around 44 pounds, it can carry loads of up to 22 pounds while reaching speeds of nearly 37 miles per hour. The drone can stay airborne for about 30 minutes on a single charge and is built to operate even in challenging weather conditions. Its robotic arms make it useful for rescue missions, delivering life-saving equipment, handling dangerous materials, and working in places that are too risky for humans. As technology continues to improve, drones like this could become essential tools for emergency services, disaster response teams, Lazzarini amphibious flying yacht. Just imagine owning a yacht that doesn't just sail across the ocean. It can actually fly through the sky. That's the incredible vision behind the Lazzarini amphibious flying yacht. Designed by the famous Italian design studio Lazzarini, this futuristic concept combines the elegance of a luxury yacht with the technology of an airship. Massive helium-filled structures provide lift, while 8 powerful electric motors generate enough thrust for flight. In the air, the yacht is expected to reach speeds of around 115 miles per hour, while still being able to cruise comfortably on water. Inside, guests can enjoy spacious cabins, panoramic windows, elegant lounges, and luxury dining areas. Although it's still only a concept, this remarkable design pushes the boundaries of transportation and gives us a fascinating look Transformers concept vehicle. At first glance, this futuristic machine looks like something straight out of a Transformers movie. Designed by Chinese creator Connor Zhu, this eye-catching electric concept vehicle completely reimagines what future transportation could look like. Each wheel moves independently and features its own suspension system, giving the vehicle exceptional flexibility and stability on different types of terrain. The rotating headlights reveal an additional set of lights, whenever extra visibility is needed, while the aggressive body design combines elements inspired by supercars, rally cars, and even the iconic Batmobile. It's powered by an electric drivetrain that matches its futuristic appearance. Although this concept isn't planned for production anytime soon. Mass power, portable home backup power station. Just imagine your entire neighborhood loses power, but your home stays fully powered without interruption. That's exactly what the mass power portable backup station is designed to do. Built with a massive 6.9 kilowatt-hour battery, this powerful energy system can keep essential appliances running during unexpected outages. You can charge hundreds of smartphones, power a refrigerator for several hours, run televisions, laptops, lights, and even recharge certain electric vehicles. With 19 output ports, including USB and AC outlets, it can handle multiple devices at the same time. It also features wireless charging pads and advanced fast charging technology that allows the battery to reach full capacity in just a few hours. As power outages become more common around the world, innovative systems like mass power provide a reliable, human-powered speed vehicle. Believe it or not, this incredible machine can reach speeds that most people would never expect without an engine. The human-powered speed vehicle is built entirely around one goal: achieving maximum speed using only human power. Every part of its lightweight carbon fiber body is carefully shaped to reduce air resistance, allowing riders to pedal at astonishing speeds of over 90 miles per hour under the right conditions. The rider sits in a nearly horizontal position to improve aerodynamics, while onboard cameras and digital displays help maintain balance and direction. These futuristic bicycles compete in international speed competitions, where engineering and athletic performance come together. It's a perfect example of how smart design Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. Just imagine driving an electric car that can travel more than 620 miles on a single charge. That's exactly what the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX was built to demonstrate. Instead of relying on a huge battery, Mercedes focused on making the car incredibly efficient. Its sleek, aerodynamic body slices through the air with minimal resistance, helping it use far less energy than most electric vehicles. The lightweight interior is built with sustainable materials, including bamboo fibers, mushroom-based leather alternatives, and vegan silk. It even features a roof-mounted solar panel that can add extra driving range on sunny days. While the Vision EQXX is still a concept, many of its groundbreaking technologies are expected to appear in future Mercedes-Benz electric cars, setting new standards for efficiency and sustainable mobility. Human-powered speed vehicle. Just imagine reaching highway speeds without using a single drop of fuel or even a battery. It may sound impossible, but that's exactly what the human-powered speed vehicle is built to achieve. Designed with an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber body and an extremely aerodynamic shape, this remarkable machine minimizes air resistance so every pedal stroke counts. The rider sits in a reclined position, almost like a Formula One driver, to maximize efficiency and reduce drag. Some of these incredible vehicles have recorded speeds of over 90 miles per hour, making them the fastest human-powered bicycles ever built. Advanced cameras and onboard displays help riders maintain balance and stay on course at such incredible speeds. More than just a racing machine, this vehicle showcases the perfect combination of human strength, innovative engineering, and cutting-edge aerodynamics.